Is it safe to drink tap water in India? Most people will say no, but it's a bit more complicated than that. We will explore the truth about tap water, bottled water and filtered water in India. If you're just looking for a simple answer, then jump to the summary at the end. Where does the tap water in India come from? This is the first reason that it's complicated to talk about tap water in India in general terms. The water may come from pristine springs in the Himalayas, groundwater in Chennai, aquifers in Kerala or the river Ganges for many communities. Unfortunately, humans have managed to pollute almost every source of fresh water in India by now. In addition to this, there is a major water shortage in some places and there is constant flooding in others. India is as diverse as it gets. How is public tap water treated? India is both a rich and poor country in many ways. Some cities like Mumbai and Delhi have modern water treatment plants that deliver clean water by international standards. At least when the water enters the network. The problem is that water pipe infrastructure is not of the same standard. Old and leaking pipes, leaching materials and water storage tanks often cause contamination before the water reaches the tap. Therefore, clean public water at the source doesn't mean clean water at home. Every year 37.7 million people in India are affected by waterborne diseases due to contamination of water by bacteria, viruses, and parasites. Luckily, antibiotics and other medicine can treat most waterborne diseases, although not everyone has access to medicine. But most people getting sick are not due to tap water. Almost all of the waterborne diseases are caused by a lack of access to clean public water. What is more worrying about the public tap water is the presence of arsenic and other heavy metals such as cadmium, zinc, and mercury. These metals cause metabolic disruptions and damage the nervous system and kidneys irreversibly. They are also known to cause cancers of the colon, liver, kidney, and lung. Arsenic in tap water has been found to be way above the 0.01 mg per liter in drinking water in some parts of West Bengal, Bihar, UP, Jharkhand and Chhattisgarh. Other contaminants commonly found in India's tap water with long-term negative health impact include nitrates, chlorine byproducts such as THMs, microplastics, and lead. In places with good water treatment, all of these contaminants are generally removed except for microplastics. Yet this doesn't mean that the water is safe, as it can still be contaminated throughout the pipes. What about tap water in the big cities? Mumbai tap water. This may be one of the exceptions in India thanks to slightly more modern infrastructure. The treatment plant at Bandup in Mumbai was commissioned in 1980 and provides water to 70% of the area. It is believed to be one of the largest such plants in Asia and adheres to international standards. Most of the time it provides clean water throughout the city. However, the monsoon season, in particular, increases the risk of water contamination due to flooding and leakage. New Delhi tap water. In theory, Delhi, just like Mumbai, has water treatment plants that comply with international standards. In 2015, 16 out of 20 districts tested had safe tap water. But others claim that Delhi tap water is safe to drink but not without filtration. You must filter the water before drinking, as it often gets contaminated due to pipe leakage. Out of the latest 4 reports on tap water quality in Delhi, 2 says it's unfit for drinking and 2 claims that it's safe for drinking in comparison to European tap water. In summary, the only way you can know for sure that your tap water is safe to drink is to test it with an authorized lab. This still doesn't mean that it's 100% safe, as the quality can change over time, but it will vastly reduce the risk. Summary. The question to drinking water in India is complicated, but we've done our best to simplify the tap water in India is generally not fit for drinking. For public tap water, use an affordable water filter in India for clean, healthy and environmentally friendly drinking water. Bottled water is not necessarily safer than tap water, so make sure you get it from a trusted source. Use refillable water bottle and fill up from your filter when you are on the go to cut plastic consumption. Ask for filtered tap water in hotels and restaurants. There you go. Enjoy the magic of India.